All right, so you're on video, and this is, what is this? January 2011. This is a snowstorm that we got.
You might think we're in New York, but guess again, we're at ATL, man. In a snowstorm right now.
Pick up the ice. Oh, well, you don't have gloves on. There's Mimi and Rudy. This is ice, and the whole driveway is covered in ice. The front grass is covered, and all of that is ice. That's the neighbor. His car is stuck there. The streets are all filled with ice, and it's not gonna clear up anytime soon.
There you go.
All right, I gotta put my gloves back on. All right. So this is, let me see, having fun throwing it, and Mimi's cold. Mimi's like, get your butts back in the house. Mimi.
Yeah,
And
get that girl back in the house, man.
it's so much ice. Look how massive this is. See? And the other side is snow, and it just, wow. It's like freezing out here.
All right, let's go.
But this is